Imagine opening your eyes and see the beautiful coastal scenery of another island from your private window. This is a Sunrise Express, a journey that takes you away from daily life. But it might not be as romantic as it looks. Today I show you the journey on Japan's last sleeper train, Sunrise Express, how it works and why it's not for everyone. Sunrise train leaves Tokyo station around 9:30 p.m., arrives at Okayama station next morning, and go across the Seto Inland Sea and head to Takamatsu. It's about 10 hours journey. The journey starts from Tokyo station. Car number 1 to 7 is Sunrise Seto going to Takamatsu City, and car number 8 to 14 is Izumo going to Izumo City. There are 6 types of the sleeper cars for each train.
My car is number 7, so let's get in.
The room I have reservation these days is called Single Room. It's on the category B, which is a second class sleeper cars. On the same category, there is also a single twin room that I took before on the Sunrise Izumo train. It has a bed on upper and lower, and you can book from one person. There is also a solo room that looks like this single room, but a little smaller than this. The higher category is A, and there are 2 types, single deluxe room and sunrise twin room. This category A room comes with some amenities and shower car that you can take shower that I talk about a lot later, but it doesn't come with a private shower room. In addition to these 5 private rooms, there is a Nobinobi seat, which is a big space separated with a light separation in between personal spaces. This one you can get on with a Japan Rail Pass without any additional charge.
So now I'm in the cabin, and it's spacious enough for one person.
The room is very simple. It has ventilation, one blanket and nightwear. But it's completely private and it's spacious enough, especially if it's like that with a big window. Just be careful when you try to take picture on the upper floor. Before I relax in the room, I like to take shower with the shower card I got earlier. And it's not easy to get this shower card. We just left Tokyo Station, but let's go back to Tokyo Station again. How I got the shower card. On Sunrise trains, no room comes with a private shower, but if you stay at the single deluxe or Sunrise twin, you get a shower card that you can take shower. And there's a special shower room for them. If you stay at the other category rooms, you can purchase the shower card for 360 yen. But this is the tricky part. It is said that there is only about 20 shower cards per train, which isn't enough at all for all passengers. So if you like to get it, you need to line up for the door near the shower vending machine. If you leave your luggage and go to the shower vending machine, it's already too late. And there is an unknown rule that is a little too difficult to understand if you don't know about it. The shower room for Sunrise Seto is on car number 3, but you need to use the door of car number 4, which is closer to the machine. I went there about 1 hour before the train's arrival time. The train departure time is 9:26, and train enters the platform about 9:05, and there was only one gentleman waiting for the train. But as I didn't know what to do if I was front, I really appreciate it. He moved very quickly when the door opened and head to the machine. And now it's time to use this shower card I got. The train conductor goes around each room, so just in case I brought my ticket to the shower. And I met the conductor on the aisle, so I showed them the ticket and it was fine. You can lock the door by 4-digit numbers.
machine actually for the drinks. The little community room and there's a shower room here.
So now this is a shower room and you insert the card to the machine and the card comes back so you can keep it as a memory. Once you insert the card, you cannot unlock the door. Then the card will be cancelled and you cannot take shower again. The water runs for 6 minutes and you can stop in the middle. They have shampoo and body soap, but there's no towels, so make sure to bring the towel. Do you do this or would you skip? Please let me know in the comment.
So 2 minutes. After you take shower, you wash this so it cleans the shower room automatically for the next person.
Now it's time to relax and sleep or enjoy the time. There is a vending machine for the water and the Coke, but there's no other foods on sale. So you may want to make sure to bring lots of foods and drinks, especially if you are going to Izumo, that takes longer. After I filmed a little bit in the room, I went to take a shower before arriving in Yokohama. We are arriving at Atami. Arrived at Numazu station. I was enjoying the light going by, but if you close the screen, you can make it dark. But still, the train can be shaky. But it's not as big problem that you cannot sleep. I fell in sleep around Shizuoka station. And when I got up near Kyoto, the train was delayed. It seems there was a problem near Lake Biwa and there was an announcement for passengers changing at Himeji Station or Okayama Station. Kobe.
Izumo 鹿児島中央行きとスカイナバ1号鳥取行きをご利用のお客様、ただいまから車掌が車内へ参ります。
It's getting a little sunny and looks like rain stopped. And the train's delayed about 10 minutes.
Okayama. At Okayama, Sunrise Izumo will be uncoupled from Sunrise Seto.
So they call it uncoupling of the car, and we are soon arriving at Okayama station. So the
train's 25 minutes delay. So everyone is gathering here because trains will decouple from here. This decoupling scene is very popular among train fans, even though this train runs every day. Sunrise Seto leaves before the Sunrise Izumo, so you might want to make sure to be on the train. So Seto leaves fast, so be careful not to be late. If you're on Izumo, you can see that Seto leaves, but if you're on Seto, you have to be on the train.
Sunrise Seto 号 Takamatsu 行きです。
After leaving Okayama station, the train go across the Seto Ohashi bridge and enter Shikoku Island.
お待たせをいたしました。寝台特急サンライズ瀬戸号高松行きでございます。小島駅にて乗務員が JR 四国に交代いたしました。終点高松までご案内をいたします。終点高松には8時頃、終点高松8時頃の到着を見込んでおります。
Seto Ohashi Bridge is one of the 3 bridges connecting Honshu Island and Shikoku Island of Japan. It goes over 5 different islands, but there is no train station in between. The bridge is about 13 kilometers, 8.1 miles. For Sunrise Seto, you can have a little better view on the left side and upper floor if possible. Now I'm entering Shikoku for the first time in my life. Arriving Takamatsu. I arrived at Takamatsu station. So 33 minutes delay, but it was a very comfortable ride. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the trip with Sunrise Seto. It was an amazing trip and I'd love to do this again. I arrived at the Takamatsu station. So this is the Takamatsu station, and interesting because this is a sea water pond here. Looks like it's connected from the ocean. In the next video, I'd like to explore Takamatsu in Kagawa Prefecture. Thank you for watching. Have a great trip to Japan.